Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you 2 steps for you to be able to fix your payments unsuccessful issues on Facebook. So when you want to fund your Facebook account using your card, so you are going to be getting an error of a payment is unsuccessful. So if you check my recent transaction, you are going to see that I have been recently trying to fund my account. You can see this is May 25th of this month, of last month. So this one is May 25th, so same day. This one is 26th, April 6th, April 14th. So but the same day on April 14th, so I just fixed the issue and I tried to fund the account, and then my account was funded successfully. So if you look at this place, you are going to see funded successfully. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to fix this issue in this video. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can be able to get a notification whenever I release a new video like this. So the first thing you need to consider before funding your accounts, if your ad is running on Facebook and your money finish, so your funds in your account finish, so the thing you need to do is to pause your ad before funding it. So you can't do that in your phone, you can't do that in your in the ad manager phone, like in the app on your Android phone. So you just need to come to their website to do that. So this one is for those who has been running ad on Facebook, so their ad is active but their funds in their accounts finish and they can't be able to fund it. So the thing you need to do is you need to come to your campaigns. So you need to come to your campaigns and then turn off which ad that is running before you get before your fund finish. So before you get that message, which is account error. So whenever your ad and your money finish in your ad account, so you are going to be getting account error. So you just need to locate that ad. Once you locate the ad, you tap on it, you just tap on it, check this box. Once you check this box, then you come to this place, you click on this more option. So you come to this drop down option. So you come to this drop down option here. Let me just highlight it. So you come to this drop down option after edits. So you come to this option. So once you are in this option, then you click on it and then you turn it off. So you turn it off if there is more than 3 hours or 2 hours running when you receive that account error. Just turn all the ads off. So once you turn all of them off, then you can be able to fund your account. So once you turn it off, and then all you just need to do is you need to go back to your payment settings. So you go back to your payment settings and they try it, your account is going to be funded successfully. So this one is the second step. This one is for those who are owning Facebook. So you can also try the first method. If you try the first method and the first method does not work for you, so you need to try the second method. So you are owning Facebook, right? Because some of you, the mistake that you do when adding your lets Facebook to be charging your ad account whenever you are running ad, which is not good. So you need to set it manually. You need to fund your account for Facebook to use it to run ad for you, not them charging you whenever you are running ad direct to your bank account. So that's normally cause issues. So now if you try this first method, if it does not work for you, then you need to try the second method. So the second method, you need to come to this place and then you need to go to Facebook, business.facebook.com. so this is the front page here. So now once you are in this place, all you need to do is you need to create another ad account. So Facebook allow this feature that you can have 2 ad accounts with one profile picture, with one profile account. So once you are in this place, all you just need to click on this drop down button and then you click on create a business account. So you need to create a business account, which is your ad account. So I can't be able to create this business account because I have already created one. So that is why I can't be able to create it. So but in your own option, you are going to be able to create it. So once you create this option and then you fill in all the details, so your account is going to be created. So this is the account here now. So it's going to be created. So what this account does is that instead of you using your former account to run the ad, then you are going to be using this one to run your ad. So you are going to be using this one to run your ad. So with this this particular issue, so it's going to be fixed. So once you already have a ad account in this, so all you have to do is you need to follow the first method. If the first method did not work for you, then you follow the second method. This second method is for you to create another ad account, which is a business account that is going to allow you to run ad on Facebook. So once you create it, then you fund your account, then everything is going to be okay. So just try it and it's going to work out. So I've already tried both and it's 100% working. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and then turn on the notification, so that anytime I release a new video, you can be able to get a notification.